Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching on how to tell time in Zulu. Impela sonto. Impela sonto. Impela sonto means weekend. Impela nyanga. Impela nyanga. Impela nyanga means month end. Ekuseni. Ekuseni. Ekuseni means in the morning. Emini. Emini. Emini means at noon. Ntambama. Ntambama. Ntambama means in the afternoon.